Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to do science with activities. Every day we are using books, blackboard, whiteboard, iPads and laptop for online teaching. But today I have changed the mode of teaching and we will perform some activities to make the concept more clear among you people. Students, we have started acid and base, isn't it? So today we will perform all the activities related to acid and base. Let us see, there are so many things which I have collected for you people. Let us check one by one. Now have a glance here. See, can you identify what it is? You can see a seed over here. A hint for you people. Yes, it is lemon juice. And here I have taken the solution of, yes, guess what it is? It is turmeric solution. Okay, which we usually use for cooking food, isn't it? Then I have taken, yes, speak, comment down what it is. Any guesses? It is the solution of detergent and water. Okay, before performing any activity we should know the main basic concept behind it and the things which we need to perform our activities. Okay, I have shown you the things. I have collected things for you people so that you can understand what is acid and what are base. Students, we have done that acid are the substance which are sour in taste. I told you that all acids are not eatable, isn't it? You are tasting many acids during your life, in your everyday life. For example, I am explaining you one by one. You must have seen lemon, and lemon contain citric acid, and all sour food contain citric acid, and which is, and what type of acid? You can say it is a weak acid which we can use easily. It is a edible acid. Okay, then vinegar. When acidic solutions are added with water, they become vinegar. Sirka, your mother might be using for making pickles and for using that onion solution also. Okay, so citric, it contain, vinegar contain acetic acid, lemon contains citric acid, and can you guess, tomato contain which type of acid? It contain oxalic acid. Okay, so I have shown you 3-4 examples which are acid and which can be tested, which we are using at our homes. But we know that each acid cannot be eaten. For example, there are some acids like hydrochloric acid, HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. They are mineral acid. They are found on earth crust in the form of minerals, isn't, along with minerals, and in our lab also we are using, but they are not suitable for eating. Okay, we cannot eat them. So what is the difference between these acids and HCl? All this, these acids are weak acid which give less H plus ions, okay, when dissolved in water. Hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 and HNO3, they are strong acid which readily form H plus ions or hydronium ions when they are mixed in water. So I think the concept between strong acid and weak acid are clear to you. Now the one thing which is clear to you now, that you cannot eat each acid. So no need to taste any acid, that some acids we are eating, but without any confirmation you are recommended that you should not eat or taste any acid. Okay, so first property of acid is clear to you, that acids are sour in taste, but we are not advising you to eat acids. Okay, now, and chemically if we say, acids gives H plus ions when they are dissolved in water. Okay, the acid which give more H plus ions, they are called strong acids. The acid which give less H plus ions, they are called weak acid. Now come to base. In the beginning of chapter I have told you that if anyone is suffering from acidity in your family, then what you will suggest? Although we all have ENOs at our home, isn't it? When anyone is suffering from acidity, we tell them that use ENO. But if sometimes the stock of ENO is not there, then what we should do? For example, during night anyone is suffering from acidity, a severe pain is there, then what remedy you will provide from yourself? Yes, the remedy was in our kitchen only. That remedy is baking soda. See, this baking soda, isn't it? I have told baking soda, or a pinch of baking soda and a lot of water give the same effect to the person who is suffering from acidity. So the remedy can be provided by our home ingredients also. Okay, if anyone is not having